Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today we're gonna talk about the famed Plexion. Let's go! The famed Plexion is a very affordable true bypass overdrive / boost pedal. It's extremely easy to use but gives you all the key functions and controls for an overdrive and boost pedal. The pedal comes in really cool looking packaging and has a very sleek look. It has a volume knob for the output level, a gain knob to control the amount of distortion, and a tone knob to make your sound darker or brighter. It also features a switch to choose between a normal and bright mode for the overdrive. Now, let's listen to how exactly these controls influence our sound. Now, if you have any more questions on the famed Plexion, feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!